Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to fix social button not showing in TikTok. So first you just have to simply uninstall your TikTok application if you encounter this kind of problem. You just have to long press TikTok, click uninstall, go to Google Play Store or App Store and then install TikTok again. So if you still encounter this problem, even if you uninstall and install this application, what you want to do next is to simply open or launch your TikTok application and go to settings and privacy. Scroll down till you see this report a problem. And then here, what you want to do next is to just simply look for account and profile. So tap this one. Now you have to scroll down till you see this editing profile. Tap this one. And then suppose that you can't see any solution to this problem. So you can click other and then look for need more help. Okay, so tap other and then look for need more help. Okay, so you can read the following here, and if you still can't see any solution, so click need more help. And then what you want to do here is to simply tell them your concern, your specific problem. So you can say that, please, can you help me fix this social button not showing in my TikTok? You can provide them your email address if you wanted to. You can also attach pictures and videos, serve as a proof that this feature is not functioning well. Okay, so after that, click submit and you have to wait for the customer service team to respond and help you with this matter. Meanwhile, you can also go back to your profile, and if you want to add your Instagram account, you can just simply go to edit profile and then there search or look for bio. And then what you want to do here is to simply copy your Instagram URL and paste it right here. Okay, so after that, click save. Now, if people visit your profile, they can probably see your Instagram, and if they click that URL, it will take them directly to your Instagram account. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.